moving now to the appointment of electoral officer. This should basically be taken as read. Mr. Morell's been an electoral officer, and a very capable one, I might add, for many, many years. And Mr. Morell's impending departure, therefore Council needs to appoint another electoral officer. It's been suggested here that that position be taken by Mrs. Tina Jakes. That's the suggested resolution. Councillor Hickling, seconded. Councillor Truman, all in favour? Aye.
Aye.
Any matters discussion arising? Good luck at the next elections. Item number 21.
Moved.
Okay, cool. Seconder?
Yep.
Seconder, Councillor Crate, all those in favour?
Aye.
Notice I didn't go to keep costs down. Next year Barry and I go. Okay. Item 22, democracy, public advocacy meeting dates. If you go through these, TAA, Councillor Johnson, we've had that bereavements and what have you is tomorrow. Seacombe Park, Councillor Crate is now available. He's not going to get his bionic knee till later. Deliberations, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Just from staff, do you really think we'll need those 3 days? Mr. Gwynn?
No, that's me.
Oh, Mr. McLeod, sorry.
Well, this when we set these dates, we never actually know how many submissions we've got. It's unlikely that you'll need them. You do tend to move through these things thoroughly, but reasonably quickly. But yes, we certainly, when we set the dates, we didn't realise how much time we were to need.
Okay, so what you're really saying, the short version is we didn't get as many submissions as we normally do. We normally allow 3 days, so I would suggest that, provided everything goes well, Tuesday, Wednesday should clean it up. Friday, sorry, Councillor Dana.
Just on that, Mayor Rick, is it possible, or is it too hard, if we do finish on Tuesday, Wednesday, to move that council workshop to Thursday?
Asset management plans?
Mr. Chairman, that will be too hard. I know what the restraints are.
Just
okay, cool. No harm in asking. Citizenship ceremony, we'll be doing that Monday the 13th. There's a workshop there Monday the 13th, 1 p.m, that must be after. Okay, financial strategy, part 2, you've already done part 1 as you know about. TTCB, they've got that playground issue, which is a great initiative on a workshop. Then their Comboard Council workshop. Okay, so does anybody want to add anything or comment anything? And there's some over the page there. So these are these June workshops that were brought to our attention before by the look of it. Anybody want to add anything to that? Suggested resolution that the dates be received. Councillor Downard, second to Councillor Hickling. All those in favour? Aye. Okay, there's members' reports. If you wish to report on everything, it gives you the ability to do so. I'll go around the room, starting with Councillor Henderson.
No, nothing to report. No.
Councillor Johnson. Congratulations on being one of the many people who've got Wairoa House off the ground today. Councillor Kirk.
Nothing to report, but I have been in attendance at everything I was supposed to be this month.
Yes, same to me. I've been to all I admitted to be promised to do. Yes.
Definitely an everywhere man. Everywhere I go, I see you. Councillor Downard.
I just want to mention a couple of things that's happening in our community that you probably don't know. It's probably not got much to do with council, but it has done in a certain sense. Is that Tahara College has got funding to extend their special needs unit up there, which has been under huge pressure, and Brenda Pilkington does a absolutely fantastic job up there. So I'd like to first thank Louise Upson and Georgina Tahuhu on pushing that through with the Ministry of Education, with everything that's happening in the country. Re the Christchurch earthquake, I think that's a huge gain for our community up there. So that hopefully the plans are just about finished, and hopefully we'll get off board on that. Just another thing with St John's ambulance, they could be now looking at investing money into their building as well. We've just had a engineer structural report that hasn't been too good. So now we'll be hopefully going in the process with council to find out where the best place and what to do and where the best direction to go into the future, because I think they are one of the key lifelines for Taupo District, civil defence as well, and emergency management. So those are the two things that I just like to comment on. That's it.
Okay, well, I know lots of us have been lots of places, but hey, we're all doing our share, and as Grant Dalton said, as long as we're pulling on the oars and we're going faster, it's great. So, suggested resolution that reports from members be received. Johnson and Truman, all in favour? Aye.
Aye.
I see you at the back of the room, Mr. Fennell. I'm going to have to ask you to leave the room. It's going to take 2 minutes while I just confirm the